from Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be talking about a business bank account. That's NorthOne. I bank with them as well. Okay? Let me put this card down for a minute. I'm not going to make this video too long. I'm going to go over a little bit about what is NorthOne, and I'm going to show you the inside of NorthOne. Alright? I'll tell you guys real quick, this video is sponsored. However, I do bank with them for one of my newer businesses. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Anyways, let's just go over a brief overview about NorthOne. Alright? As you can see here, NorthOne Business Banking made for America. Alright? Business builders asked for better banking. When have we not? Traditional banks, headache. All the documents, sometimes denials, just to open up a business bank account to run your business. Anyways, you can open up an account literally in minutes. I think mine took less than 5 minutes, and within hours, they gave me a tracking number with my card being sent via FedEx. So all you have to do is hit apply for an account. Use the link in the description below. It's not that I get earnings on that at all, because this is a sponsored video, but just use the link in the description below because you'll get the first month free. They do charge $10 a month, just like a lot of other banks. Actually, most banks do charge some type of fee if you don't carry a high daily average balance. So the first month is free. After that, it's only $10. What is that? Like a cup of coffee. So $10 a month, not a bad deal, okay? So let's just go over here to their mission real quick. Banking for builders. Building your business, creating jobs, and serving your community. That's what you do, hopefully. It's hard work. You guys know that. NorthOne makes the hardest parts of running your business easy. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Focus on the road ahead. They've got your back. They got you covered. It says here, trusted by over 190,000 businesses across America. Well, I can gladly update that right now because I just got new information directly from NorthOne. There are over 350,000 businesses now that switched to NorthOne. Okay. Next, we'll go over to just a little bit about the core features. So you can send a check by mail to anyone nationwide. How easy is that? If you need to pay somebody, pay a bill, you can send a check. Just done right in the account. I'll show you that later. You never have to step into a bank branch again. Smart digital banking tools. I'll show you that later. Simply powerful payments. Deposit checks on the go. Mobile deposit. Make deposits anywhere. And you get your business debit cards. And when I say business debit cards, you don't just get one like a lot of banks do. You can issue multiple. And virtual cards too. It's really cool. Like it says here, go branchless. Make deposits from anywhere. Deposit checks through the NorthOne mobile app. Move cash for free through America's largest networks. Plan, so it says like envelopes. This is a really cool feature I like. I actually started using it just a couple weeks ago. It's a little feature called envelopes. Plan and budget for what matters most. Create envelopes for taxes, payroll, and rent, and anything else automatically. So I'll go over that here once we get into the actual demo account. But basically, the envelopes is like what we used to do, or what maybe your grandparents used to do. Put all the envelopes. You have several envelopes, like when you get your paycheck, you get that cash out, and then you put so much money in there for savings, so much money in there for rent, so much in there for vacation. That's what it is, but it's on a digital basis. So it's really cool little feature that no other banks really offer. I really like it. Next, these are just little testimonies, but you can connect apps that you use every day, like PayPal, Stripe, Square, Etsy, Shopify, Airbnb, Amazon, Venmo, Toast, Uber, Lyft, and so many more. But you know what, you guys? A lot of you guys may ask, why is Josh talking so much about NorthOne? Why? It's because it's just one more tool to help you build business credit. Not that they build your business credit, but some of you guys may be looking for working capital. Well, with the NorthOne Business Checking account, you can sync your PayPal, you can sync your Stripe, and any of these other ones. Like if you sell on Amazon, Square, Shopify, Uber, Lyft, if you have any of those, you can have them all. Or if you're like me, where I have multiple businesses, you can put them all into one where they're all going into the account. By doing that, then you can qualify through third-party working capital. I'm not going to say I'm endorsing any of that. I'm just saying they make it easy because literally it can all sync together and you can get everything deposited through their different apps that they integrate with. All right. So next there with it also works with your QuickBooks, your FreshBooks, Gusto, Wave, ADP, and more. So anything like payroll and your taxes, they got you covered on that. And then I got magic fingers. See, like how I did that? I don't even have to touch it. Customer support, instant support, real human beings. Okay. So you got your live chat, you got phone, and you got email. I can tell you, their live chat's great. I haven't really had to call them, but their email super fast. You just email them, and they get back to you super quick, pretty much 24/7. Okay? Like you can see here, open a NorthOne account for one low monthly fee, $10 a month, no hidden fees, no minimum balance. Unlike a lot of banks, you have to have a minimum balance for business checking accounts. This one, no minimum balance, no commitment, cancel anytime. Unlike traditional banks, they don't charge for ACH payments. They don't charge for debit card purchases. Replacement debit cards, they don't charge. Out-of-network ATM fee transactions or too many transactions. You know, when you use like your NorthOne debit card and you use it at a random ATM, you're not going to get charged like a fee. Unlike, I'm not going to mention any names, but a traditional bank, if you don't use it at their branch ATM, you're going to get charged a surcharge fee. Not with NorthOne. Okay, only $10 a month. You get the first month free. After that, it's only $10 a month flat fee. Okay, banking that keeps up with your business, like it says, get started in minutes. Apply for an account. It's so quick and easy. I don't need to go through the rest of this, but let me show you guys real quick the demo. Okay, this is a demo back end. I'm not going to show you my personal other business because I don't want to spoil what's coming in the future with my newer business. That's going to also benefit you guys. So let's get into the actual login. So when you first log in, this is what you're going to see. $80 balance. It's not my balance. Again, this is a demo account. All right. So you're going to see your transactions here. That's going to be your monthly fee, like it says, $10. Okay. And these are just different transactions that you're going to see on any traditional bank statement. All right. So let's go over to envelopes. So you can do your envelopes. This is the cool feature that I like. So what you can do is you can put a set amount. So this is your deposit account, right? And then you can have an envelope for payroll. And then rent, shipping, taxes. So you can have it say set, like this is really cool. Just so you don't have to worry about it, because when tax time comes and you're, say, a single member LLC and say you did pretty good that year, Uncle Sam's going to want to tax you pretty well. So you can have it set. You don't have to. You can adjust it any way you want. but where you can have it. So any deposits that come in, Stripe payments, or any deposits you make, you can have it set a rule where, like it says here, your taxes envelope, 25% of all incoming deposits. Again, you can put 10%, 1%, or nothing. You don't have to use this feature. It's just a nice feature to have. And you can do the same thing with rent. Okay. This is probably one of their best features. I haven't seen it with any other bank. It's great. So sorry to ramble on about that. I just really love this feature. And it says here, total account balance, that's going to show there. You can create an envelope for anything, like starting a second business. So you have a goal to start a second business. You can say 5% or whatever of any money you have coming in. It's going to automatically take it there. Of course, you can take it out of there anytime. It's still your money. It's just dividing it into, I would say, mini savings accounts. Okay. Let's go to send money now. So you can see here, how do you want to send money? You can send money as a wire transfer. It'll be received the next business day. If it's sent after 3:30 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, you can send it ACH, or you can send it to another external bank account that you own, or any other account. You can just send it like typical. Okay, let's go back, because I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And then go to add funds. So you can set up a payment source, and that's say PayPal, Stripe, Square, too many to name there. And then you can get ACH. So that's going to show you your routing number and your account number. So if you want to have your payments coming into you monthly, or however that, whatever your situation is, then you can do deposit a check with your smartphone. Just take a picture, front and back, it'll be deposited. Add cash. This is what's kind of unique, is you can add cash, load cash at green dot locations. That's pretty much everywhere in America. Like Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Kroger's, pretty much everywhere has green dots. So you can literally just add if you want, to add cash. It's that simple. And then you can get wire information if you want to send or receive wires. Okay, let's go back now. Let's go over to cards real quick. All right, so cards right here, that's your physical card right there. You can hit view transactions. You can freeze the card. You can report the card lost or stolen. You can change the PIN. Unlike other banks, they make some of these things difficult for you to do. This you can just do with a click of the button. You don't need to call support or anything. You don't need to call the back of the number on the card. You can just click right into your app or desktop. Control it all. This is also cool too. New feature they added. Add a debit card or a virtual card. So let's click that real quick and see. So let's just add. It's a virtual card. It's not a physical card, but it's still going to come out of there. So there you go. That quick, it created the virtual card. Okay. So it's going to say view card numbers. I'm not going to show you that because, it would be an active card, but it's already active. But it's going to show you the actual card and everything. You can freeze it, and you can do pretty much literally freeze card, delete the card. It's that simple. You don't have to just use the physical card and stuff. You can control your expenses better. Okay, so let's go to integrations real quick. You can see integrations. They integrate with, like, say, Airbnb. If you're doing Airbnb, they integrate, with them. Alto, Amazon. If you sell on Amazon, you can integrate with that. Etsy, Expensify. Just made a video about them yesterday. It says they're coming soon, so that'll be great. Gusto for payroll, Lyft, PayPal, QuickBooks Online, Shopify, Square, Stripe, Venmo, and Xero's coming soon. I really don't know any other bank that has all this going on. This is like what you would call a fairly new fintech business banking. They only do, I think, business bank accounts. Let's just go to settings real quick, and that's it. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, but I did want to do like a demo about it so you guys got the whole picture. As you can see here, you have your email address, your phone number, and you can update it by contacting support. That's for your security. You can change the password, your business settings, your recipients. If you want to add on other people to your account, co-owners, you can add your external accounts, your business owners, and then it's going to have your legal information. But then it's going to have here your account statements and your monthly billing. And then they have the support tab, but that's it. I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. With all that being said, you guys take care. I really suggest you guys to sign up if you haven't already signed up for the NorthOne Business Checking account. Even if you already have a bank account with another financial institution, it makes sense. Like I tell pretty much everybody when I do live streams on the Q&As, don't put all your eggs in one basket when you're, establishing your business. It's good to have multiple business bank accounts, and especially with the features that they have with those envelopes, it's great management. It's almost like your expense management with your business money. Okay. All that being said, you guys take care. You have to use the link in the description below to be able to get that offer where the first month is free. Thanks again. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.